Hi guys, I just wanted to show you real fast kind of what I did to took the wow, my grammar sucks right now. I just wanted to show you guys what I did to take those pictures that, I don't know if you saw them, but I took some pictures and I'll put them in this video. I'm just failing right now. Anyway, before my camera dies, that's my backdrop. Little curtain thing taped to my wall. There's my tripod. And then these are my photography lights. They're really bright and they're really hot. Okay, my lens is obviously really dirty. Whatever. Anyway. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, and I obviously have my, like, super sort of loud techno music. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the pictures. And I'm really, really hot because these lights are like burning me. I'm toast. Okay, I love you guys, and yeah, that's how I took those pictures. Okay, bye!